Hey there, my name is Marcus and welcome to Marcus Guides You. This is a microphone test for the G733 and I just wanted to make this short video for you to see that how this microphone actually works and if it's actually good or no. And what I want to show you is what you can do is that if you decide that you want to use it, look here, you can even increase or decrease the input gain, or you can enable something as a blue voice that you can like something do with a EQ here, and you can play around with it what you can do when how it works. So that's something that you can do, and you can just like have some blue voice presets here, and you can decrease or increase. Okay, look, now you didn't hear me, and that's something you can also do. So this was the quick mic test for you for the Logitech G733. I hope this video gave you value. Have a great day and goodbye.